What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and the cryptocurrency market is going crazy right now, especially Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. Everything's just going crazy right now. So as you can see, Dogecoin is all the way up at 23 cents, almost broke that 25 cents resistance that we have. And if we can't break that 25 cents resistance, then the main thing that we have to fear is the 16-cent support line. So that is what we're seeing for the technicals for Dogecoin. Now, looking at the crypto market from a more broader perspective, you can see that everything's going crazy right now. We got Bitcoin up 2.95% inside the last 7 days. We got Bitcoin at $42,000, and then you got Ethereum up 22% in the last 7 days at $3,000. That's a lot of money right there. Then you got Cardano 9% in the last 7 days at $1.42, and then you got Dogecoin down here at number 7 now. But yeah, anyways, Dogecoin is doing really well right now. $31 billion in Dogecoin. We just got to stay above 23 cents. Honestly above 16 cents. Because if we go below that 16-cent support line, then that's when everything just breaks loose and everything's going down. But anyways, I don't believe we're going to go all the way down to that 16-cent support. But it does seem that this resistance of 25 cents is going to be hard to break. I don't want to stay around, 16 cents for too long. I don't want to stay around 20 cents for too long. Even 23 cents. If we stay somewhere for too long, it's giving us too much time to go all the way down to the bottom. So anyways, let's move on with the next thing for Dogecoin. All these whales are putting so much money into Dogecoin, like so much money. This whale came in today with $20.8 million. Today, literally. And now that $20.8 million is already $21.8 million. They literally made $1 million. Not even a full day yet. They invested at 5:49 a.m. And now it is 12:22 p.m. So just in like 6-7 hours, actually, they made that much money. That's a lot of money in about 6 or 7 hours, like a whole $1 million. And that's not the only whale to do that. This whale right here came in, on the 2nd of this month with 1.4 billion Dogecoins, and that ends up to be $287 million. That's now $338 million. So this whale went from $287 million to $338 million in Dogecoin. Now, that is a lot of money. If they were to just sell that out right now, like they almost like 100x, not 100x, but 2x. They almost doubled their money, 100% almost. But this is just not even the last example of whales that did something like this. Like this whale came in here too, $39.3 million. On the 5th of this month, $39.3 million. Now we're $47 million. Like even this whale came in on the 5th also with 38.3 million, now 46.6 million. So yeah, these whales are making a lot of money off of Dogecoin, like unspeakable money. But anyways, let's go on to some more technicals, because like I said, we cannot get all the way down to that 16-cent support line. Other people agree with me that 16 cent is a major support line, right? So as long as we don't go below that, we're good. We just got to keep, going up inside the price. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's go on to the next topic, and that is the technicals. So Dogecoin price aims higher, but upside appears to be limited. They say Dogecoin price is grappling with the 21-cent crucial resistance line, and it actually broke that now that we're at 23 cents. This was before that. And then they said a breach of this barrier might lead to 20% upswing to 25 cents. So we could be heading to 25 cents pretty soon here inside Dogecoin. So that's why I said this resistance is going to get broken really fast. So anyways, I do believe that's going to get broken really fast. But however, if Dogecoin bulls fail to defend the 16-cent support line, like I said, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. So if we go below 16 cents, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. And actually, if you look at it from the 4-hour chart, you can see what I'm talking about here with the 16-cent support line. That's all the way down there, and that is where that support line is. If we go back down below there, we're going down like post-April levels, and those are not good levels. Or not, I mean pre-April levels, not post-April levels, but pre-April levels. So we definitely do not want to go that low. But anyways, this is their technicals. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm pretty sure they're not financial advisors. They're just talking about this stuff. But anyways, it says Interestingly, the resistance level at 21 cents coincides with the supply barrier mentioned above. Therefore, a decisive 9-hour candlestick close above this confluence will signal the presence of bulls. So that will definitely open up the path of us to hit 25 cents. We just got to keep going above there, and we've already beat the 21 cents they're talking about. So we're heading to 25 cents now. Now, if we can't stay above 25 cents, that's going to be bad. But look, if we get above 25 cents, if we keep prevailing from there, That's 29 cents from there right here as it says. However, investors should note that Dogecoin price is likely to rally 20% to tag the supply zone ranging from 25 cents to 29 cents. In some cases, the upswing might retest the 27-cent resistance level, which would constitute a 30% rally from 2013. Or not 2013, but 21 cents in three. But anyways, that is a good technical analysis from them. I do believe Dogecoin can actually get back up to 30 cents. You got to remember, Bitcoin now at $42,000 with Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin was all the way at $30,000. Think about it. It was at $30,000 when Dogecoin was at about 16 cents. So Dogecoin hasn't went up that much since Bitcoin has. Bitcoin has had way more gains than Dogecoin. Bitcoin went from $29,000 all the way up to $42,000 and all the way up to $43,000. Now, Dogecoin only at 23 cents. Dogecoin definitely has a lot of potential to go all the way up to 25 cents and eventually to 30 cents. So you got to think about the difference between the prices between those two. Now, Ethereum, kind of the same thing with Ethereum. They went all the way down to like 1,700 and now they're back up at 3K. So Ethereum also has a lot of gains that they've been having. But yeah, Dogecoin has a lot of potential here. Now, anyways, we got to talk about the more broader crypto market because we're going to talk about Baby Dogecoin after this, but this is a really big topic inside crypto and it affects both Dogecoin and Baby Dogecoin, right? So Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says new infrastructure bill will force crypto exchanges to surveil customer transactions. So literally watching customer transactions, where your money's going, reporting it to the IRS 24/7. So it says Brian Armstrong, co-founder and CEO of crypto exchange Coinbase, joined a list of crypto executives opposing the newly proposed infrastructure bill. So this is just crazy, calling it a hastily conceived provision related to digital assets. Armstrong asserted that the bill could have a profound negative impact on crypto and unintentionally push more innovation overseas. So yeah, business is about to leave America now. Coinbase is happy to help customers fulfill tax obligations, just like the rest of the financial services industries. So we've been doing this for years, they say. And anyways, 1099s coming back to back. They tell people, look, we are not trying to avoid the IRS. We're not trying to avoid taxes. We're not trying to have people avoid that either. So they're actually reporting this stuff and they're giving people 1099 so that they can file their taxes appropriately. But the government's still trying to regulate things. So this is pretty bad here. And this is the actual tweet that he said. It says over here, one, if you've been following threads on the infrastructure bill, you know that there's hastily conceived position related to digital assets. And that's pretty much what we just now talked about. It's going to push things offshore. So two, Coinbase is happy to help customers fulfill their taxes with 1099s. And they say that all the time. But you remember, the government doesn't care about that. They want to regulate it still. They're trying to regulate things. They're trying to get some money flowing in for the government. They're trying to lock in on the opportunity to profit off of crypto. So everyone's trying to lock in that opportunity. The government's just more prone to do it because, they got the power to do that. But anyways, this is pretty much all I have for that infrastructure bill. But tying into that infrastructure bill, we have what Elon Musk is saying about it. Now, Elon Musk has his own comments on it. It says Elon Musk urges lawmakers weighing infrastructure bill's tax provision not to pick crypto winners or losers. So let's read about what he's talking about there. So it says over here, he says not to pick winners or losers. And then he says there is no crisis that compels hastily legislation. The CEO of Tesla and crypto influencer tweeted after Armstrong made his whole tweet. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. Now, big people inside the crypto space are coming out about it. So it's definitely good that people are speaking out about this, because if people be quiet and just roll over, the government's going to do whatever they want. But if you got big influencers like Elon Musk, big innovators like Elon Musk, you got the other guy, like I forgot his name that quick, but still you got him too. So a lot of stuff is going on inside the crypto space. People are pushing back against it. But yeah, Brian Armstrong, that's his name. But anyways, let's move on to Baby Dogecoin though. Now, Baby Dogecoin was all the way at $914 million inside of market cap, but now it's all the way back down to $821 million in market cap. So yes, we lost some market cap, but we had that huge jump. And remember, Baby Dogecoin jumped before everything jumped. Look, Baby Dogecoin jumped on August 5th. And then if we go back over here, let's go back over to coin market cap and look at Bitcoin. When Bitcoin started to jump. So when Bitcoin started to jump, it was kind of after the 5th, but, kind of on the 5th. But Baby Dogecoin had a huge jump on the 5th. So since Baby Dogecoin's jump was so huge, obviously people started to sell out. The opposite happened inside Bitcoin. People started buying into Bitcoin, and then more people started to buy back into Bitcoin. Now more money is flowing. So hopefully Baby Dogecoin keeps the momentum. Hopefully we keep getting these huge jumps. Remember that 1 quadrillion burn also helped Baby Dogecoin jump all the way up. But people sell it all the time. But remember, as people sell, that 5% is being redistributed to all of the baby Dogecoin holders. So if you're holding baby Dogecoin, all these people that are selling, their baby Doge is getting redistributed back into your account, 5%. So just think about that. If you hold it over time, you're going to get a lot more money. It's like a high yielding savings account. Just think about it like that. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing with baby Dogecoin. Like I said, they're not up as much as everything else inside the last 24 hours, but still, that's because inside the last 7 days, baby Dogecoin is up 27.4%. So that's a lot of money right there. That was the huge jump right there that we see. And as you can see with baby Dogecoin now, 537,935 people are now holding it. In refreshing it, we have 538,000. So yeah, we just now live past 538,000 people on baby Dogecoin. I'm probably the first YouTuber to report this right now because I'm making the video as it just now passed 538,000. So definitely shout out to that. They're gonna tweet about this really soon because they always tweet about it. And they just now tweeted that they're giving out a 2021 Tesla inside their giveaway. So definitely check that out. You can get a free Tesla from baby Dogecoin, and soon they're going to make their tweet about passing 538,000 people holding. But yeah, this is all I have for today. Remember, none of this is financial advice, none of it at all. But also remember, if you want to support this channel, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot for the YouTube algorithm. And also check out the links in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.